Hi, my name is Nick Dean. I'm here from Gastown Supply Co. and we're going to talk about bear grips. Bear is a professional stunt rider. He's one of the best stunters in the world. He's capturing the market by storm. We're going to install them and show you how to do it. There's two different kinds of styles. He's made fly-by-wire grips for all you fancy guys that have the electronic throttle. They're going to cost a little more because it comes with a throttle tube already, so you don't have to mess around and try to fight and get the old stock Harley piece of shit one on. It's provided for you. You paid for it. It's yours. It goes on any regular guy bike with the 1-inch bar, but it also works with a 1 1/8 bar. So these grips are pretty universal. You ready? Pull them out of the box. That's a cool box. Packaging, more bows. One's the throttle tube, so it's going to be bigger. And then this is just a stationary grip that you slide on. And this one just goes on over top of your throttle tube, so you can actually crack the throttle. Some people will use an air compressor if they're fancy, but we're not fancy. We have a zip tie. A zip tie like that, put it on, pull, 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 pull. And when you get it on there, take some pliers, and I'm talking to you, you slide that out like that. This side, well, Godspeed. Ready? Push it. That's how I like to do it. Please like and subscribe this video so we can keep on doing them. I need to pay for my family. They're very expensive.